I'm Epic KWJ, and I came across this page from Sargon of Akkad after he did the very funny testing Santa Claus's privilege. Now this paragraph here really sort of set off the thinking, and we hopefully added a link to a store that sells disgusting patriarchal t-shirts like the one worn by somebody that compensates for his manhood. Sexist comment. By building large phallic replacements, implying that large phalluses have value, and raping Mother Nature with them so that you may more easily boycott such things. Now, what really got to me was this: raping Mother Nature. Now, to rape Mother Nature, you'd be in her snatch without her consent, rather vigorously, and according to them, with large phallic replacements. Is there a projection in this? I don't know, you think about it. I'll just try not to laugh. So, raping Mother Nature, being in her snatch without her consent, how do you get out of her snatch? I'd like to go somewhere that's not Mother Nature's snatch. Now, I think the entire world is implied as being Mother Nature's snatch, so how do you get out of it? So you can stop raping her with your patriarchal presence. Well, happy Christmas, shitboards.